I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling materials: Zari thread, appropriate needle, backing fabric, scissors, and a small conditioning cloth. Threading metallics is finicky, so make a 12 to 18-inch length. Shorter prevents twist. Once done, run the thread over wax or an oil cloth to reduce flash and snagging. This helps the thread glide. Make sure to knot or anchor the thread at the start with a small backstitch, because metallics don't hold conventional knots well, and that initial securement prevents unraveling. You now move into execution. Choose your stitch based on thread weight: couching for heavy zari, satin for flat sheen, split stitch for detail. Work slowly and keep even tension. If you pull too tight, the metallic thread kinks and reflects light unevenly. Once done with a small section, make sure to secure the ends by tiny couching stitches rather than large knots. Also stagger joins and overlap by a few millimeters to hide transitions and reduce bulk. That's why planning stitch direction, you finish by anchoring all loose ends. Use tiny couching stitches or a drop of clear freight check and trim excess close to the fabric. Once done, press from the back through a pressing cloth at low heat to set the work without flattening the metallic sheen. If things go wrong, snags, fraying, or harsh kinks, stop immediately, shorten your thread to 8-12 inches, recondition it, and switch to a slightly larger, smoother needle. This reduces abrasion and often solves the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.